Today in the livestock market, cattle was up for a while. That cash trade is really strong, up $2 to $5 in certain areas. I think really giving the market a little bit of a boost, and certainly as the grain market started a little bit lower, all the livestock was actually moving up, and as the grains came back, then it started to put a little bit more pressure on the market. So, but demand is really good for the live cattle market. I think the uptrend is still intact, so we're watching that. We're still $2 away from filling the gap from last April, and we're really not that far off the highs. So even though the market is kind of bouncing around today, it's still relatively strong overall. The CVOL is at 12.5%, so relatively low in the grand scheme of things, and that just makes me see that the market is kind of like comfortable right where we're at. Feeders are a little bit higher. That Labor Day needs are the focus right now. We're only 3 weeks away from Labor Day. Packers are expected to bid up for supplies to kind of like fill the holiday demand. Also, though, the lower grain prices did, add to some market support here. We are right around that 186 mark. We have to just, get to 188 for that real breakout. So we're very, very close. So the market is, possibly poised for a little bit of a breakout here, but we're certainly going to need a lot more bullish news to get this market moving. Even though it started out much stronger, it started to sell off some, but still was relatively firm. The hogs today was a little bit mixed. The demand is up for cutouts. The demand was up and the cutouts were really like a little bit lower. I think that higher cash on Friday and tighter supplies just to help the market rebound from that lower start. That hog report that came out showed the pork up $2 overall. I think that helps to support this market. The CVOL is at 27.7%, so still looking pretty strong, and it certainly looks like we're really starting to shift to more of a demand market, and I see that the strength in the livestock market as a whole is really front and center here, and that's what the market is kind of showing us today.